Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to delve into the world of push-ups. A classic exercise that can significantly improve your upper body strength and overall fitness. Whether you're a beginner or looking to take your push-up game to the next level, this comprehensive guide has got you covered. So, let's dive in and discover the incredible benefits of push-ups. Let's begin by exploring the numerous benefits of incorporating push-ups into your fitness routine. 1. Upper body strength. Push-ups primarily target the muscles in your upper body, including the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. By regularly performing push-ups, you'll develop strength and definition in these muscle groups, leading to a more sculpted and powerful upper body. 2. Core stability and balance. Push-ups engage the core muscles, including the abdominals and lower back, to maintain a stable and aligned body position. This not only strengthens your core but also improves your overall balance and posture. 3. Functional fitness. Push-ups mimic the pushing motion used in various real-life activities, making them a highly functional exercise. They help you build the strength and stability needed for everyday tasks, such as pushing objects or performing activities that require upper body strength. 4. Versatility and accessibility. One of the best things about push-ups is their versatility. They can be performed virtually anywhere, without the need for any equipment. Whether you're at home, in a park, or even traveling, you can always squeeze in a quick push-up workout. Now, let's focus on proper push-up form and explore different variations to suit different fitness levels. Form breakdown. The perfect push-up. To perform a push-up correctly, start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest is just above the ground, then push back up to the starting position. Remember to keep your body in a straight line throughout the movement, engage your core, and breathe consistently. 1. Modified push-ups. If you're new to push-ups or need to build your strength, modified push-ups are a great starting point. Instead of a full plank position, perform push-ups with your knees on the ground, focusing on maintaining proper form and gradually increasing your repetitions. 2. Wide and narrow push-ups. Wide push-ups involve placing your hands wider than shoulder width apart, targeting the chest muscles more intensely. Conversely, narrow push-ups involve placing your hands closer together, emphasizing the triceps. Experiment with these variations to diversify your push-up routine. 3. Incline and decline push-ups. Incline push-ups can be performed by placing your hands on an elevated surface, such as a bench or step. This variation reduces the amount of body weight you're lifting, making it easier. On the other hand, decline push-ups involve elevating your feet on a stable surface, challenging your upper body strength further. Now, let's address some common mistakes to avoid and discuss injury prevention techniques when performing push-ups. 1. Improper alignment. One of the most common mistakes is allowing your hips to sag or your lower back to arch during push-ups. Maintain a straight line from your head to your heels throughout the exercise. 2. Elbow flaring. Avoid letting your elbows flare out to the sides as you lower your body. Instead, keep them at a 45-degree angle to your body to engage the chest and triceps effectively. 3. Relying solely on momentum. It's essential to perform push-ups with control and avoid relying on momentum to complete the movement. Focus on the quality of each representative rather than the quantity. Injury prevention tips. To prevent injuries while performing push-ups, start with proper warm-up exercises to prepare your muscles and joints. Listen to your body, and if you experience any pain or discomfort, modify the exercise or seek guidance from a fitness professional. Gradually increase the intensity and volume of your push-up workouts over time to avoid overexertion. Now that you understand the correct form, variations, and injury prevention techniques, let's talk about building an effective push-up routine. Routine structure, sets, repetitions, and rest. Start with a comfortable number of repetitions and aim to perform 3 to 5 sets of push-ups, resting for 30 to 60 seconds between sets. As you progress, gradually increase the number of repetitions and decrease the rest time for a more challenging workout. Progression and advancement. To continue challenging yourself, aim for progressive overload by increasing the difficulty of your push-ups. This can include transitioning from modified push-ups to full push-ups, exploring different variations, or adding external weight with a weighted vest or resistance bands. Congratulations! You've now learned about the incredible benefits of push-ups, proper form, variations, injury prevention techniques, and how to build an effective push-up routine. Remember, consistency and gradual progression are key when it comes to achieving your fitness goals. So, let's push our way to a stronger and fitter version of ourselves, one representative at a time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workouts. And as always, consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program. Stay strong, stay motivated, and keep pushing. Until next time.